Alright, here is just a simple test of my active track. I have it set on about 30 feet. It's only my second test ever, and I have it sped up a little so you don't have to watch me walk slowly. So if it looks a little weird, it's probably because it's sped up a tiny bit. But it works pretty good. Very impressed with it. No complaints at all. This is at one of the crawler courses. I call it Windmill Wall. As you can see in the distance everywhere and down over the banks and stuff, is just tons of crawling to do here. I'm walking up to the rocks just to see if it kind of loses me. Should have took my sweatshirt off because then I would have had on all kind of the same color as the rocks. I wear that color a lot so I can find ticks and set on the rocks there as I take over control is my Gilliman.